Today's video is another thrift with me at Goodwill. I purchase low-cost items at Goodwill and flip them on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, and Mercari. See what items I picked up, as well as the comparable solds, what I think I can sell the item for, and one item that sold already. My name is Xandra, also known as Piece of Scrap. I'm a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Facebook, Mercari, and Amazon. And what that means is I buy items low at garage sales and thrift stores and flip the items online. Now let's see what I found at Goodwill today that I can resell on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari. Goodwill on my lunch hour, so I don't have much time, maybe half an hour, at most 40 minutes. But I'm going to see what I can find if I don't get run over first. I'll let you know what's inside. I grabbed a cart and headed to the back of the store where they have the new racks and bins set out. Passing by the specialty rack, this Green Bay Packers sweater caught my eye for $6, but I left it behind. I continue on to the back of the store looking for the new clothing racks, and I'm disappointed because there are no clothing racks, just the new carts with hard goods. Many of you that follow me on Instagram may recognize some of these items from my Instagram story in a game I like to play called Buy or Pass. Now let's see what you said I should buy or pass on. I will go through the entire thrift haul in just a bit, but first let's play Buy or Pass. I asked Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on the Pearl Izumi cycling shoes. 34% said buy, while 66% said pass. I also asked Instagram if they would pick up the Burlap sack for $2. 26% said buy, while 74% said pass. 70% of Instagram said to buy the Fabletics leggings for $3.50, while just 30% said pass. I also asked Instagram about this Schwinn bike that Goodwill had priced at $250. I thought perhaps Instagram would know more about bicycles than I do, but we all agreed at 97% said pass on the bike for $250, while just 3% said buy. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm at piece.of.scrap. Now let's see what I purchased and what I passed on. So I was in Goodwill about half an hour. I spent $28.09, and this is what I found today. We'll start over here with this WWE children's wrestling belt. It's dated 2010. They charged me $3 for it. The comps on this looked very good. I have sold WWE wrestling belts before, and they did sell for quite a bit of money. Here's a look at some of the recent solds on that WWE belt. This is the exact one that I have. As you can see here, they sold from anywhere from $40 to $50 shipped. Now, if you happen to come across the lighted spinner WWE belts, those will go for a lot more money, almost double this. So keep your eye out for the WWE wrestling belts. This is a pair of Pearl Izumi cycling shoes. They charged me $3 for these. The cycling shoes on eBay sell for quite a bit of money, and this particular brand was listed anywhere from $30 to $50. Here's a look at the comparable solds for the cycling shoes. The exact brand that I have recently sold for $49 shipped. It's the X Alp Low mountain bike shoe. So I will list mine high as it is a larger size and see what happens. Here's a pair of silver denim jeans. They charged me $4.25 for. I always pick up silver jeans, and they will sell for about $25 to $35. This is a Burlap coffee bean sack. It didn't have a price on it, but when I went to check out, she charged me $2 for that. This may be a keeper. I may keep that for my own personal use, although I've heard that it has a great resale value. So here's a look at some of the solds on that Burlap sack. They seem to be all over the place, from $13 to $35. Lots of the Burlap sacks tend to do better than those sold individually. I am also realizing that bags and gunny sacks would be great keywords for this item. So I may choose to display it up until the time it sells on eBay. And these two items over here, the tray and then the battery operated candles, are for my personal use. The candles were $3 and the small basket was 50 cents. So that's $3.50 for my own personal use. I like to use those candles out on the patio. This is a Harley Davidson T-Shirt. Goodwill usually marks up the Harley Davidson clothing, but they missed this piece. So she charged me $3.50 for this. This is a large size 2X. Here's a look at that Harley Davidson T-shirt listing. I did price it high at $36.98 because it is plus size and dated 2006. That way it allows for offers as well as promotions. I do run promotions in my eBay store quite often, but I always do charge shipping. If you're interested in this Harley shirt, go ahead and head over to my eBay store. pieceofscrap.com will take you to all of my stores, or I will have the link in the description below. Here's a pair of Fabletics leggings. They charged me $3.50 for. It's important to me that I show my viewers that I not only thrift and visit garage sales and estate sales, but I also list the items. Everything in this haul has been listed across multiple platforms: eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and Mercari. I will link those stores below. The Fabletics leggings already sold on Mercari for $22 plus $5.99 shipping. And this last t-shirt I picked up while at the checkout. I spotted it on a rack. As you can see, it's got the trifoil logo for Adidas. And I've heard that those bigger logos with the trifold sell well. So I'm going to give it a shot. She charged me $3.50 for this. Here's a look at my Adidas T-shirt listing. I may have been wrong about this logo. The tag in the back is tagless, which makes me think it's not a vintage item. I listed it at $29.98 and I'm open to offers, so we'll see what happens. So all in all, a very good day at Goodwill. I spent $28.09. Of that, $3.50 was for my own personal use. So I'm going to get this stuff listed and see how I do. So to recap, I spent $28.09 in Goodwill today. I mentioned that the battery operated candles and the woven basket were for my own personal use. Let's throw that burlap sack in there as well for decoration. So the total for my personal items is $5.50. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do with that burlap sack, but I'm sure I will find a decorative use for it. What do y'all think? Would you keep the burlap sack or would you sell it? Leave a comment below and let me know. As I just showed you, the Fabletics leggings sold fairly quickly on Mercari for $22. So I've almost broke even with my initial investment of $28.09. Now I did show you comparable solds on some of the items that I mentioned today. Here is a brief summary, a very conservative estimate on the Harley shirt at $25, the Adidas shirt, $20. I expect to get at least $25 out of the silver jeans. And as I showed you, the WWE belt is going for at least $40, as well as the cycling shoes at $40. Now I have listed most of these items except for that burlap sack, which I'm still on the fence about, but when I do list it, I will list it to eBay first and then use the handy dandy cross-posting tool List Perfectly to cross-post the item to Facebook, Mercari, and Poshmark. If you don't already subscribe to List Perfectly, go ahead and check it out. You can use my code pieceofscrap to save 30% off your first month's subscription. You can cancel at any time without obligation. I love List Perfectly. It is a definite time saver, and I think you'd love it too. I will also include a link in the description below for you to use with my affiliate code. I just shared with you some of the items that I found at Goodwill on my lunch hour in about 30 minutes to sell on eBay. What do y'all think? If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I know many of you have not yet subscribed, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, pound that notification bell to be notified of my next video. If you don't mind, please share this content on your social media, as I need all the help I can get to grow my channel. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.